first I thought it was disgusting getting chicken cooked and all that, but I think I'm getting used to it. My new babies. Yeah, Bruce just asked me if I was expecting some new babies, but too many now.
So there we go. There's all the chickens. What are the white things, Seth? Oh, they're water, are they?
Water drinkers, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many times do you eat? Remember?
I feed them like 3 times.
And at night?
At night I feed them around twice. This is my camp, so this is where the guys who are the quarry digging the sand. This is where they sleep. This is my quarters, my super quarter special. Come have a peek. This is my own suite, 5-star. With a net, mosquito net, top for qualities, 5-star. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah.
So, how long have you been in there?
It's been I think a month now.
Right.
Yeah, with nice double glazed windows. Papyrus glass here. Nice view, huh?
Right, and that's the wardrobe, okay?
Absolutely. We dig up this soil, the topsoil, mix with the water, and then make some this kind of mushy mud. That's what makes bricks. So those are the few bricks we have started making again. So we need to make some more bricks to continue building. And if you're not scared of heights, this is the way we were trying to make.
So plan B is to capture rainwater from these gutters and feed it down into a tank which is going there.
Yes. This is Frank's house. And my house, you have to wade. It's a foundation, but you have to wade through the grass to see it. Yeah. Need to get this sorted and then I can get out of the chicken house.
Sell some of it.
Yes, we are going to be selling it because it's too much. We can't use it. We can't just use it for ourselves. We need to sell it, and that's what is going to help us.
So here in spare and finished chicken shed is the kitchen. Yay.
Yeah, that's good. Easy.
Lunch is cooking, boys.
You don't need sweet potato for lunch. Yeah, easy, like also 5-star kitchen.
Omugambye ndakusepikira aganyi.
You got to